first class. Save it, save life at day, every day. No yet, no but, my dear brother. Save it, mother. Protect and protect life. Save the earth, secure the future. Clean it. Thank you.
My name is Montes. I am studying in 3rd class. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. It has been a awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, and wildlife crime. The theme for this year is ecosystem restoration.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Keshwini Mahi from 6th Blue. And first of all, happy World Environment Day. And this is my craft with old oil can. So first process is you have to draw like how I am showing in the video. And after that, I'm use the nose like a red color and black color. It's your choice. See how beautiful it is. And now it's planting time. Let's plant the tree. Once again, happy World Environment Day, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
I am studying in 4th grade. This is my pen stand. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ashika from 5th Valley 4th City School. Today I am going to take a very old curd container and turn it into a pencil stand. First we need to cut out these parts. Next we have to take a colorful paper and paste it all around. Thank you, Madam or Sir. Happy Environment Day.
Hey there, this is Vanshika from 6th Blue 4 City School. So today, the theme I have chosen for this speech is Safe Environment. A green and clean atmosphere is most important to live a peaceful and healthy life. We must stop avoid using poly and plastic bags and prefer eco-friendly items to save the atmosphere. We can easily save our environment for the next generation in several ways by adopting a simple life. Promote digital technologies will save our more papers that are made from natural resources like wood. And thank you.
Good morning, madam. My name is V. Nikila Priya. I am studying in 8th grade. Today I am going to speak a few lines about World Environment Day. It is celebrated on 5th June all over the world. It is started in 1972 by the United Nations Assembly. This is celebrated to remind people about the importance of the nature. On this day, government and normal citizens focus their efforts on a particular environment issue to generate awareness.
Good morning, respected madam and my dear friends. My name is Koneti Sri Guru Sharan, studying St. Blue in 4th City School at Vijayanagaram. Today I stand before you to speak about World Environment Day. United Nations declared June 5th as World Environment Day, and we also celebrate June 5th as World Environment Day every year throughout the world. It was first held in 1974 at United States to bring awareness of environment issues like global warming, ozone depletion, wildlife crime, pollution, etc. This year, the theme of 2021 is ecosystem restoration. Ecosystem restoration is very important to bring back our life on Earth. It improves biological diversity and availability of environment goods and services. In turn of contribute for the importance of human well-being. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all. This is Jilahri from 8th grade. Now I am going to tell you about World Environment Day. The World Environment Day is celebrated every year to remind people about the nature, importance of nature. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. The importance of celebrating World Environment Day, it is celebrated across the globe to respect and acknowledge everything that the environment has given us to take the place that we will protect it. Environment plays important role in our life. We all are dependent on the environment for food, air, water, etc. So we all should protect our environment. Thank you for watching.
Good morning to everyone. This is Niharika from 7th Blue. Now I will tell you about World Environment Day. The day is celebrated on the June 5th of every year. The significance of the day is to keep aware the environmental issues like global warming, marine pollution, human overpopulation, and protection of wildlife and so on, etc. We have to protect our environment not only for our health. We have to protect environment for our survival too. Due to the coronavirus, the uses of plastic has been increased. It may take 1,000 years to decompose. Meanwhile, the animals and insects living in that polluted area can be affected by diseases. Now I will tell you about Panchabhuta. According to Hinduism, it is the main reason for all cosmic creation. The Panchabhuta elements are Ningi, Vayu, Varuna, Agni and Prithvi. Finally, the theme for 2021 New Environmental Day is Ecosystem Restoration. Thank you.
A warm good morning to all of you. My name is K. Pavan Kumar. I am studying in 7th grade. We all know we are celebrating the World Environment Day on June 5th every year. Did you ever think what is the importance of the day and why it is celebrated? Okay, today I would like to talk about our environment, its importance and why the World Environment Day is celebrated. Okay, the environment is the real world that has the living as well as non-living types of surrounding on the earth. The environment has a complete cycle to maintain the proper balance on the earth. Earth is home for different living species and we all are dependent on the environment for food, air, water and other needs. World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th every year all over the world since 1974. Taking care of environment today will promise us a happier tomorrow. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Yeah, I am studying 8th grade. Today I am telling about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. The World Environment Day first held in 1974. It had been a platform for raising awareness on environment issues such as marine population, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participants from over 143 countries annually. Each year, the program has provided a theme and for outcome for business. This year the
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, one and all. My name is Amya Gandra. I am studying 8th class in Fort City School. Today I am telling about World Environment Day. Since 1974, World Environment Day has been celebrated every year,
which is assigned by the United Nations. And nature gives us many things. Every year, a different country hosts this day with themes and slogans. All plant the trees at least once in a year. Thank you.
World Environment Day is a global platform for raising awareness, outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. Each year, the program has provided a team and foreign countries like businesses, governments, and celebrities to adequate the organization's causes. World Environment Day is also known as Eco Day. I want to say to my Indian people, please save trees, save plants, save environment.
Good morning one and all, this is Tinshita from 8th group. Today I want to tell about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th. Every year to remind the people about the importance of nature in the absence of human activity. Amid the coronavirus induced the lockdown, nature is getting time to clean itself and reclaim its space.
My name is Nikulendra. I'm studying 7th in Fort City School. Today I'm going to explain about the environment. The natural environment or natural world encompasses all living things and non-living things, occurring naturally, meaning in the case not artificial. The term is most often applied to the earth or some parts of.
Everyone, how are you doing in this pandemic? I am Nandini from 7th Blue, studying in the 4th season. Firstly, Happy Environment Day to all of you. World Environment Day is celebrated annually in June 5th. Every year, a different country.
Good afternoon everybody, my name is Rahul Teja. Today our topic is about World Environment Day. The World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th every year. Pakistan is the host for World Environment Day for the 2021.
The theme of the World Environment Day is the World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration. The ecosystem
Hello everyone, I am Mansa Vashni. I am student of 10th grade and now I would like to start my presentation with the awe-inspiring quote by Robert Swan. That's, "The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it." This is absolutely true during these days. And now let's learn about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is first held in 1974. It has been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as sustainable consumption, etc. It's a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries. Every year, World Environment Day is hosted by a different country in which official celebration take place. This year's host is Pakistan. For too long, we have been exploiting our planet's ecosystem. Every 3 seconds, the world loses enough forest to cover a football pitch. And over the last century, we have destroyed half of our wetlands. As much as 50% of our coral reefs has been lost. It's very much heart-rending to listen this. So we must start loving and protecting our environment. Let's make every day an environment day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Jean Abhijyoti of 9th. I am here to confer with about World Environment Day. Our environment comprises of plants and animals, climate and natural resources. Our environment is degrading due to overuse of natural resources, destruction of ecosystems, extinction of wildlife, pollution and population growth. So pollution is of 4 types: air, water, land and sound pollution. Human impact on environment is water scarcity, increased pollution, depletion of natural resources and global climate change. We celebrate World Environment Day to create awareness towards climate change, to reduce population growth, energy conservation and preserving wildlife. So the ways to protect our environment is to save water, electricity, trees, wildlife, fuel and all natural resources. So if we wish for a better tomorrow, we must protect the wildlife and we should also protect existing trees and we should plant more and more trees. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am S. Rishik of class 10 studying in 4th City School. So today let's talk about environment. Environment is defined as a combination of Panchabhuta, that is water, air, fire, space and earth. If you live in harmony with nature, it will provide us all our necessities in time and also does not pose any problems. But if you live against the nature, it gives us so many problems. So in my presentation, I am going to present some of the issues created by mankind to exploit the environment. Firstly, water pollution. Water is being polluted by throwing all the waste generated by the communities and industries. First, the man is polluting the water bodies by all the means and then he only is complaining against the pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is caused by vehicular gases and industrial gases. Noise pollution. Large amount of noise is produced by vehicles, music systems used in functions and in political campaigns and crackers, especially on the occasion of Diwali and etc. Plastic pollution. Everywhere on the globe there is plastic, which is causing lot of soil pollution and in turn water pollution. Remedies to reduce these: water and air pollution. There should be proper controlling measures have to be adapted by the Pollution Control Board. Noise pollution. This can be done by us, that is by the people on the globe, by avoiding crackers in festivals, functions and political campaigns, and by reducing the trips by vehicles. Plastic pollution. This also can be reduced by the people by avoiding plastic items and by using jute bags or something in place of plastic. Deforestation. Go green. Firstly, we have to plant trees as much as we can. We should not cut the trees for our greedy needs. Thank you.
The environment is the most divine creation of God around us. It is considered an integral part of mankind. Environment provides beauty all around. It's the nature that makes the surroundings attractive and worthy to live in. Human life is possible because of environment and its various boons. Environment is a unique blessing to us. Everything created by God on this earth has some purpose. The blue sky, the shining valleys, the huge mountains, the sun, the rain, the moon, and the list is not ending. All these things have some order and serve a purpose in life. Despite all this, we are still doing activities such as polluting the environment. It is harmful to us. The environment and the economy are really both two sides of the same coin. If we cannot sustain the environment, we cannot sustain ourselves. Thank you.
My
environment is everything that is around us, which includes both living and non-living things, such as soil, water, animals, and plants, which adapt themselves to their surroundings. It is nature's gift that helps in nourishing life on the earth. The environment plays an important role in the existence of life on the planet Earth. The word environment is derived from the French word environ, which meaning surrounding. An ecosystem refers to all the living and the non-living things present in the environment, and it is a foundation of the biosphere which determines the health of the entire planet Earth. Ecology and environmental science are the branches of life science which mainly deal with the study of organisms and their interaction among organisms and their environment. Thank you.
Good afternoon, madam. I am V. Triveni from 8th grade. Today I am going to tell you some points about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. It is the day to plant more and more plants everywhere. The celebration of World Environment Day is first held in 1974. On that day, it has been a platform for raising awareness about the nature and how we should protect it. So we should celebrate this World Environment Day every year without fail and plant more and more plants. World Environment Day is celebrated to raise awareness on environmental issues like global warming, marine pollution, etc. The World Environment Day is celebrated to know the importance of the environment. So we should plant so many trees as we can on that day.
Hello everyone, myself Lahari. Today I am going to describe about plastic pollution in oceans. Nowadays, plastic dumping in water resources including oceans became a main issue for both human beings and sea creatures. Many sea creatures lose their lives every year because of eating plastic. According to UN, at least 800 species are affected every year and 80% of them are affected due to the consumption of plastic products. About 13 million metric tons of plastic is found in oceans every year. And
myself K. Satyadipti from 10th Blue. I am here to tell about the facts of World Environment Day on the occasion of World Environment Day. World Environment Day is one of the biggest events celebrated every year in this world. World Environment Day is being celebrated on 5th June since 1974. It is also called People's Day to take care of the earth and the environment. It is really important to know the ways to protect the environment. The day was designated by the UN Assembly in 1972 on the first day of the United Nations Conference on Human Environment, resulting from discussions on the integration of human interactions in the environment. After 2 years in 1974, the first World Environment Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. There is a different theme every year for celebrating this day. The different and interesting thing about this day is that
we cannot be so selfish and use up all the resources for ourselves. World Environment Day is the perfect opportunity to make people aware of the issues we are facing and how one can contribute to saving it. Thus, it is quite important in its own ways.
Hello everyone, this is T. Kaushik studying 10th grade in Fort City School. Today I am going to say you about World Environment Day. The celebration began in 1972 and has grown to become one of the main vehicles through which the United Nations encourages positive action for the environment. WET is a big celebration engaging millions across the globe.
Hello everyone, my name is C.H. Hamse. Now I would like to say you about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Environment means any surrounding or condition on which a person, animal or a plant lives. First Environment Day was celebrated in 1974 with the environment of Only Earth.
Our environment is a nature that nurtures our life on the earth. Everything which we feel, breathe and eat in our life comes in the environment, like land, planets, plants, water, air, environment, forests, food, river and other natural things come within environment. So all save environment and protect